So right now I'm finishing up our new BAM automation. It is a very large blog automation system with these 4 folders here. So we have 27 different make.com scripts where it does everything from site initiation to keyword research and generating articles based on RSS feeds and deploying RSS feeds. We can even see here that we start keyword research initiation, goes over and builds a keyword cluster. We then review the keyword cluster here and either accepts the cluster or sends it back for another go. And then we build out all our keywords back in our space here. So we can go to keyword research and we can then see all of our keywords that we would like to write some articles about. The funny thing here, or the awesome thing, is that we actually keep like when we write for the keyword, for this keyword here, and all the keywords here, when they are used, you can see here we have a used click button here. Every time the system uses all these, when we get down to like 1 or 2 keywords left, it goes ahead and runs the keyword initiation or keyword research thingy one more time, and it already knows what keyword it did before and so forth, so it won't generate the same keywords. So this way it will just keep on adding keywords to the system. But yeah, that was one part of the system finishing up here, hopefully this weekend. It's gonna be great.